All right, the shape builder is very easy to use. You just take the shapes, use your selection tool to select the different shapes. So you can hold down Shift to select the ones you want to combine with each other. And then this right here is the shape builder, or Shift M. And then you just see these little grid marks and you click and hold and you drag through everything that you want to be connected. And there it is. So same thing here, if I select all of them. So you always have to select things first. And then I'll go to, I lost track of it. Where's my shape builder? There it is. And then you just click and you drag through. If you accidentally miss one, and you could do that on purpose, of course, too, but you just come back with the shape builder and drag through again. And that combines all of the pieces. Maybe a fun little thing if you're wondering how I made those triangles, if you don't know. If you go to the star tool, which is one of the shape tools, and when you click and drag, it'll look like a star. But while you're still able to drag, I haven't released with my mouse. If I press down, it decreases points. If I press up, it increases points. And that's it for the shape builder. Pretty simple. See you next time.